wanted to make. It was an algorithmic change. It came from the search quality team. It didn't come from the web spam team. So web spam engineers have been collaborating with search quality folks on it since the initial launch, but it originated from the from the search quality team. And again, it's just an algorithmic change that tends to rank lower quality sites lower, which allows higher quality sites to rank higher. So it's not a penalty. And I talked about how algorithms are recomputed. So there's been no manual exceptions. I don't expect us to have any manual exceptions to Panda. This is something where the signal is computed, and then when the signal is recomputed, if the sites are slightly different, then that can change the sites that are affected. And we're going to keep iterating. So we've had Panda version 1 in February, Panda version 2 in April, I believe, and that's possibly March. And that started to use blocking of sites along with some other signals. And then we've had smaller amounts of iteration. So Search Engine Land referred to it as Panda 2.1. So we're going to keep iterating on that. We're going to keep looking for signals of quality. We're going to keep looking at the ways where if you are producing high quality content that users love, that you will be ranking where you would expect to rank. But it's definitely the case that we had heard a lot of complaints. We'd been working on it even before we'd heard a lot of the complaints to try to make sure that lower quality sites were not ranking as highly in Google search results. So we're going to keep iterating on those signals. We did do a blog post about Panda. So if you think that you might have been affected by Panda, it was on a Friday several weeks ago. So it was on the Google Webmaster blog, and Amit Singhal basically gave a really good list of different items to think about whenever you're trying to think about the quality of your site. And it helps to step into the Google mindset and how we think about these sorts of things, because whenever we're trying to write the algorithms, whenever we're trying to uncover the signals, those kinds of questions can be really helpful to understand how we're thinking about the problem and how we're trying to return higher quality sites. So that's just a little bit about Panda. So Jonah Stein, thanks for that question on the Ask Matt hashtag.